Guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. Today, we are thank God that everything is okay and we're alive and well. Today, I am going to make Irish potato punch. See it? I have 3 Irish potato here, and I'm gonna make punch Irish potato with almond. And I'm gonna add to it supplement, peanut punch, malta, and sweetening milk. And here's all my spice over here. I have mixed spice, Jamaica mixed spice, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. And I also have some almond I'm gonna put in there and some vanilla. Okay, I'm going to start to peel my potato. My pot is on the fire. Okay, so I'm gonna peel my potato. I already washed the outside of it already. Okay, my water is boiling and I'm gonna add my potato to my water. No salt I added. Okay, while my potato is boiling, and my malta in my almond, make it soak for a little time. It will be much better to blend when you soak it. Okay? And now, and I'm going to throw off this water and put it to cool. Potato is there cooling. I put some ice water on it and I'm going to blend my almond. So I'm going to add my little spice with it and I blend this. Okay. My malta and my almond is finished. So I'm gonna add this to my potato. It's a small amount, so okay. And I'm gonna put my supplement. If it want more, and I'm gonna add my milk, half of my milk to it. Okay, I rest back with the other half here, and I'm gonna put some vanilla. Okay, and a tip of almond. Okay. Okay. I stir both of them together already. Let me just taste and see if it need anything else. I think it needs something else. Let me just finish with this punch. Good. And put a little more sweetened milk. That will do. And a little more supplement. Good. Let's just stir and see what's going on. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna add 2 pieces of ice. Okay, here we go. Wow, wow. Very good. Okay. See, my potato and almond and all my ingredients. Let me taste. Very, very nice. I get this recipe from one of my subscribers. So Patricia, here is my finishing touch with the others. Thank you for watching. And remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Okay? Bye. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.